And this is the state versus Gerardo Lopez. So is there going to be an objection?
No, Judge.
All right. So according to your plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in prison. No applications, taking into consideration 2026 CR 007096. And there's to be no in-person contact with Valerie Marie Galindo. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And counsel, if you all could write that in there
Yes, Your
and initial.
Honor.
Thank you. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense in count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state offer states Exhibit 1.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Mr. Lopez has been involved with this lady for quite some time. She's the mother of his child. It's been on again, off again. I've spoken with her on a few occasions. She's filed an affidavit of non-prosecution. She's indicated she has no interest in pursuing this. As it's a hard job for all of us to do when it comes to these kinds of cases, because it's not just black or white. It's somewhere in the middle. And I kind of sense that. I believe this is the best result in this case, and I'd ask the court to go along with the plea bargain. We've discussed other options, and Mr. Lopez believes this is the best thing moving forward for his family and support of his child. So we'd ask you to approve the agreement.
All right. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no in-person contact with the complainant. No residing in households with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And for the record, the court signed the dismissal and took into consideration 2026 CR 007096. All right, sir. Whatever your anger issues are, whatever's going on in your life, you got to make some changes. If you don't make some changes, what's going to end up happening is you're going to be in and out of the prison. Your child won't have respect for you because you keep causing chaos. And I read in the stipulations, she is really not even keeping your child. It's her mom. And there are other issues that are going on there, because why is she living in a shed in the backyard? And your child is in the house with her mom. It's because y'all have issues. You should not go forth and try to procreate with anyone else until you get your life in order. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you need any type of therapy while you're in custody? Is there some anger issues, drug issues going on with you?
You might say, I can use all the help, I mean, that's there, so I'm not taking any help.
All
Any
right,
help,
so
no.
I'm gonna ask for the therapeutic community. Here's the thing about that. I have no jurisdiction for them to force you in the program, but what you can do is you request it. They're gonna see in the judgment that I am requesting that you be placed in the therapeutic community. And when you're released from custody, if I'm around somewhere, you see me, if you can't find a place that can help you with whatever issues you're having, you come back here and I'll get you to help, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, your help.
All right,
Judge, can I approach quickly?
sure.
Judge, I had a client that I got appointed to yesterday by you, on Mike's, Solano. He's on page 6, about fourth down.
Yes.
And I was gonna bring him out and they accidentally took him back. I know, it was, just happened. So I was gonna see about trying to maybe getting him rescheduled. See where we wanna go with that, maybe Monday or Tuesday next week, maybe Monday.
All right, Norma, recall this for Monday.
What's Solano? Well,
Let me ask you, is he already back at the jail?
Yes.
Is there any way they can do a Zoom? Because he hasn't been able to see an attorney. I want him to be able to see an attorney. Let's see if we can get him to Zoom in.